Hello and welcome to Creatively Miss Me Decorating on a Budget. And I'm Stephanie, and I am glad you're here. Now, today we're going to jump into still taking down some more Christmas decor. I have the formal dining room area. I want to clean the table off, and the entryway tables, and the sofa table. And there are some Christmas ornaments in the family room on the table. I want to get that cleared off because I didn't get the opportunity to decorate my trees like I wanted this year due to my husband's illness. But the tree is in there in the box. I have to get the dolly and get that big booger out and clean up those ornaments. They're all on the table. I just want to get the Christmas down, and even on the fireplace mantle. I want to get all of Christmas down in the family room. Now I'm taking everything down. Now, once I get it all down, it's going to be in one area where I can box and bend it up. And then later on, I'll come back in, clean, and restyle these areas. So first, we're just going to take it all down. So join me as I get with it. Now, some of you know I wasn't able to do my trees this year because my husband he ended up in ICU for almost 2 weeks. He had been sick, and so I had to put a lot of things on hold to take care of him. And so that's why a lot of my Christmas decor didn't get put up this year. And I'm okay with that. I try to make sure he's okay with everything he's going through health-wise. Sometimes, some days, that can be a lot. But all I can do is my best and take one day at a time and make it happen. See, if you grew up with my mom, Cora, Cora I always tell you, there's always a way to make things happen. So if you really wanted something, you needed to simply get on your job and make things happen. Now, so that's what made us all so eager to do different things because of my mom. Did I see a black knife in there? Yes, I did. How did you get in there? Now, I have my silverware, flatware is in the china hutch behind us. And then I have, as you know, my wine glasses over here in the cabinet over here. So I try to keep it organized in here as much as I can. Tables cleaned off. Now, let's get the stuff off the entryway tables. Okay, the entryway tables have been emptied. I left that on the top because it's winter, and I'm gonna leave that there. I think I'm gonna style it for winter, but I'm gonna add something else to the tables. So both sides still have those boxes with the pine leaves and pine cones. So let's get to this front table. Okay, the fireplace is cleaned off. I have to get the dollar in to get that because that is heavy. And then I have this table cleaned off. So everything is cleaned up for Christmas. I want to thank you for spending time with me today and watching me do this cleanup. I hope you feel inspired to create a space that's both beautiful and perfectly for you without breaking the bank. Now don't forget, you can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. The links are below. I'd love to connect with you there. And I'll see you here next time on Creatively Miss Me.